You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this curious word. Yes, I know it's quite confusing and a lot of people get it wrong, so let's break down the pronunciation. The British English pronunciation is normally as clear story. Clear story. American English pronunciation is more commonly as clear story. So it's essentially clear, like it's clear, story, like it's a very clear story. Okay, so that's how you can say it, clear story. Now, it can also be pronounced sometimes, especially in the US, as clear story, but that's much less common a pronunciation. How to pronounce clear story, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.